I'm gonna show you how to make breakfast in under 3 minutes and eat breakfast in under 3 minutes. What's going on, everyone? I'm Daniel. Let's jump right into it. Go ahead and grab 8 ounces of water, put it in your Vitamix. Then you're gonna get 1 egg, crack it in there, get a full hand of bananas. That was 1 banana. You're gonna cut up this apple here, green apple. I want you all to take this tool because I've used it for a decade. For nearly 365 days of the year, for the last 10 years, I have not changed this routine. You see, I'm gonna see someone special right now. You're gonna go to an important meeting right now. You wanna have more natural energy without the coffee runs, because sometimes they make you late. This here in 3 minutes, handful of mixed greens. Spring mix 50-50. Then we're gonna get wild berries. And by doing this, I'm telling you, I only have coffee now once in a while. Go ahead and add those wild berries in there. And I do it because when I'm out socializing, and a little bit more banana, but also strawberry. So now, we're gonna blend this bad boy after we add the 1 scoop. The best thing about this is that we have plant-based options. I do the whey, hey, sometimes I do the plant-based. But on top of us having the whey or the plant-based, it has branched-chain amino acids and L-glutamine. And voila, this not only helps you not be reliable on caffeine, but you get a boost of natural energy when you take this first thing when you wake up. You may use this amazing tasting berry and banana, strawberry, greens with an egg that you don't even taste, with the ability to know that if I drink this, I can drink this on my days off from working out. You can use it as a meal replacement. You can use this as a meal replacement that's even more incredible. You can put it back in here and we're leaving. Let's go. Let's go see that important person. Let's go to the business meeting, not have a weird type of smelling breath. You get your 16 ounces of water because there's the fruit that's added, there's the spring mix that's added, and the liquid from the egg. And that's it. That's how you make and have breakfast in under 3 minutes. Why is it under 3 minutes? Although this might have gone past 3 minutes, because you could take this with you on the road, in the car. I'm Daniel, everyone. For more education, inspiration, and topics on nutrition, fitness, and how to improve your mindset, come back, subscribe, share this video, like the video. Comment down below, where are you tuning in from? What country, what city? Muchas gracias, mi gente. Gracias. Para la próxima. Ciao.